An industrious boy. He woke up early on Sunday morning. He had his breakfast, then hurriedly got his box. In the box was a can of shoe polish, some brushes, pieces of cloth, and a bottle of liquid shoe polish. He went around the street shouting something. By 10 o'clock, he had already earned 50 pesos. He had the feeling that he would be earning much the day before he left the house. Number 1. What did Jose do that day? A. He finished in the river. B. He shined shoe. C. He held rice cake. Letter D. Number 2. What day was it? A. Monday. B. Sunday. C. Saturday. D. What is Susie likely to have on that day? A. Much money. B. A birthday present. C. A surprise. Letter B. Goodbye.